情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。Joseph，
你今不落去坐公車好嗎？
公車很方便然後我們這個月好像都是在跟交通有關。好，那我們就來教一下公車怎麼說。Let's teach you how to say bus in Hakka.
公車。
公車 ，Okay, that's a public bus.
那我們會說，請問這輛公車有到車站嗎？
哦，對對對 Sometimes before you get on the bus, you want to ask the driver, does it get to the train station, for instance? 怎麼說？
請問這輛公車？
請問這輛公車？
有到車頭嗎？
有到車頭嗎？那有的時候只是在問，請問公車站在哪裡 ？If you want to ask someone, like where is the bus stop? How do you say that?
請問公車站？
請問公車站？
第哪位？
第哪位 ？Okay, let's review all these phrases so you can remember them, such as the bus, 公車，
公車，
公車 and how about the bus station or bus stop? 公車站呢？
公車站，
公車站。All right, hope you learned some Hakka so you know how to take the bus now. Thank you for listening to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.